Welcome to this tutorial. How to make resume online? The digital age has revolutionized the job application process, and online resumes have become the new norm. With an online resume, you can easily customize, update, and share your professional profile with potential employers, recruiters, and networking connections. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of making your resume online, taking advantage of user-friendly platforms and tools. Let's dive in and make your professional profile shine. Open your web browser, type canva.com/create/resumes in the URL bar, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the Build My Resume button. You can log in with your Google or Facebook account or can sign up with your email. I am clicking on this Continue with Google button. Sign in with my email and password. You will find many resume templates on Canva. Scroll down or up to see the available resume template. Click on a resume template of your choice. You will find more resume template style options similar to your selected resume. Click on the name text box of the resume and change the name with your name. Let's zoom in on this resume page for easy editing in text. Here, you can change objectives and change phone number with your number. Change the text of the email, address, education, expertise, and reference contact details. Change the work experience text as per your work profile. You can also change the text color. To do so, select the text and click on the A icon of font color. Select a text color of your choice. You can also change the text alignment and style of text. Once all editing is done, click on the Share button at the top right. Click on the Download option from the drop-down list. Click on the file type and select a file format. Like here, I am selecting PDF Standard. Click on the Download button, and this will start downloading your resume. Save your resume on your computer. Hope this was helpful. Have a good day. Please subscribe to our channel.